And we made it to the entrance right on time. It's 5:28. 828 meter. Good morning guys, and welcome to day 29 of our travel daily vlog. It's just a bit over than 5 a.m. We already arrived to Burj Khalifa subway station and we are on the way to entrance to the Burj Khalifa observation deck. Earliest ticket you can get to entrance to Burj Khalifa observation deck is 5 a.m. But if you want to go by subway, not spending on taxi like hundreds of bucks, you need to go at 5:30 because the red line of the subway starts around 5 and you have time to come to Burj Khalifa from almost everywhere. And we made it to the entrance right on time. It's 5:28. But we walk really fast because the subway is pretty far from the entrance. Some digital show over here, but I think we should go to elevator to get there before sunrise. Actually, I know that Burj Khalifa has one of the fastest elevator and you get to 125th floor or 24th floor just in about 60 seconds. That's I can't even imagine. Here you can see the history of building. It starts from 2004 and 2006 they reach level 50. In just a year they reach level 100 and level 150. 2008 level 160 and 2009 it's almost done, completion of spire. I can't believe that it was built so fast.
It's crazy.
Alright everyone, the elevator is going to take you up to level 124 in 60 seconds. From level 124 you can take the staircase to 125.
Thank you.
Anyone with any question? Go for it.
No.
All clear.
Good morning.
Level 124, so from the balcony outside.
Thank you.
After that, you can visit one level up by staircase.
Okay. Couple people over here, but not that much as in the evening, so it's perfect timing. And the view is just wow. Welcome. This is level 124 and we can go one level up over there, just a balcony, so it's not like open space by the stairs. And it's almost sunrise. You can see the lights change over here. Let's go to level 125. You need to use stairs. What the heck, guys? Like you pay $100 for two of you and you should walk? No.
On this floor, you can see the other part of the city.
Yes.
Let's take a look.
But mostly on the camera I can see just our reflection.
Us.
You can't see the city. we should wait daytime.
You can do this.
It's actually really cool double exposure. Level 124 is more impressive because it's outside. Here you still feel like you're inside the building, and it's not very special and unique.
Big difference. Only
Yeah.
10 minutes, right?
So I think it's just like the most perfect timing, right?
Yes, perfect timing for everything. They already turned off all the lights in the buildings.
And that's the view after sunrise.
What's your impression?
I like it.
The experience is amazing. You should definitely visit this observation deck if you're here in Dubai.
For sure. And if you have even more money, you can go even higher, because in 154th floor there is another VIP lounge, but you should pay $400 for 2-person, and we decided to skip it this time because it's like too expensive. For more than 15 years, Burj Khalifa holds Guinness World Records certificate as the tallest building in the world with 828 meters, and it's absolutely incredible. And also our tickets include the cafe meal, so after the visit in Burj Khalifa observation deck, you go to ground level and there is the cafe and you can choose whatever you like. Okay, that's the included kind of breakfast, the coffee, soft drink, and let's see what's inside. Oh, just one cookie, and such a small cookie for such a big box. But still, enjoy.
Really nice. Coffee with the view.
It's still 7:30 a.m. and the next attraction for us is going by bus to new country, Oman.
So we got tickets from Dubai to Muscat and heading to bus station right now to catch that bus.
Yeah, the pickup point located just 20 minutes walk from city center Deira subway station in front of Al Khanjouri Transport Office. That's the only one company operated this route, and the rest company will be just the travel agencies who will charge you more for same tickets. So the ticket price is 100 dirham per person. It's about $27, and also you will need to pay another 35 dirham for exit fee from Emirates. It's another $10. And there is 3 buses operated daily. The morning one, afternoon, and our evening one at 9 p.m. So you need to come in advance. They say we need to come 1 hour before to pay this exit fee. They will help us to do it, to not spend the time on the border. And I will leave description for this location, and you can use this route as well. The bus company right there, and that's the bus. You don't have assigned seat on the tickets, so you need to come in advance to get better tickets. The first 5 rows is for the family and ladies, and the next one is for everyone. So let's go over there. And that's actually the bus. The seats are very comfy. The temperature is very good as well because AC worked properly. And it's overnight bus for us. The ride will take about 6-7 hours, and we will came to Muscat at 5 a.m. And day 29 is over. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.